Pakistani and you watching Mr. Pakistan attend to this video I will teach you how you can control your home plants like LED bulbs, LED bulbs, LCDs, LED TV, LCD monitor or LED monitor, LCD TV, LCD monitor, fan, blender and bulbs controlled by this remote. So let's set it. First, accidentally you may know I buy this motor my friend shop. This motor with this driver, and that time I don't have a remote, so I buy the remote separately to a market. Now I realize that this motor is burn. This motor is burn motor. So I am thinking, why not we cut our motor out and instead we make out 3 bulbs. So 3 bulbs instead of this motor, we can have these 3 bulbs. Basically you may know there are red, white and blue wires, which mean high, low, medium terminals. Which 3 terminals are 3 output terminals, which mean that these 3 bulbs and bulbs, other one wire common together with ground. This time I don't touch because this circuit is running and this is a remote. Although this is a swing motor which is missing right now, I got only 3 bulbs, you can connect 4. Keep in mind that different things are the bulb. Keep in mind this circuit can carry 1 amp of current. So never go beyond the 1 amp. It was 220 volts, any appliance should be worked with this circuit. AC, keep it in mind. Now try to do the test. I turn on this device, it beeps. That is we turn on. I, bulb number 1 on. Medium, bulb number 2. And bulb number 3. So you can turn on one by one bulb individually. It is not, you can not turn on 3 or 4 appliances at the same time, but you can totally turn on one by one. 1, 2, let me 2, and then 3. And you can also set a time for this timer button. And there is a fin button if you like to add one more bulb in this somewhere this wire, which is I left out. So I have 3 bulbs used. You can use 4 bulbs. Not only use bulbs, you can use LED bulbs, energy saver, CFL, LED light, LCD, LED monitor, LCD, LED TV, and a small amount of fans or blender or small amount of a charger. Now what I tend to do, so now that's the distance. Now it will keep away from roughly 10 to 15 feet. Now you may realize that with my sound, now that and now I go more than 20 feet. Let's see. Now you can also realize listening my sound about 20 and write that how it's far away. But there's one thing is that you can always present in same position, which position infrared the sensor is present. Now try with at least away from the sensor. Now I wait for 30 centimeters per sensor. Let's see. Let's push the R. Now try with. Now I'm turning the 35. It still works. Now those reject. This time I'll say it go maximum work. Right now it will not work at all. In this video, then we next video very soon with the very good things with very good projects, interesting projects, and pause.